Meet the Nexgrill 5-burner gas grill with side burner and foldable shelf, the perfect grill for prepping, cooking, and serving great food in one place. This Nexgrill's heavy-duty stainless steel lid offers supreme durability, extending the grill's overall lifespan. Plus, 5 stainless steel main burners each carry a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance for grill seasons to come. When it's time to grill, up to 72,000 total BTUs of grilling energy means quick, controlled heating, while a generous cooking area offers plenty of room for exploring everyone's appetite. Under the hood, long-lasting matte-finish cast iron cooking grids deliver reliable performance and easy cleaning. And an upper-level warming rack keeps food nice and toasty. Beneath the cooking surface, angled flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor. To the right of the firebox, a convenient 12,000 BTU stainless steel side burner sautés, simmers, and locks in flavor. And to the left, a griller's best friend. An oversized folding stainless steel side shelf that brings kitchen-sized counter space outside to your cookouts. When it's time to clean up, a convenient pull-out grease box keeps things simple. And 4 easy motion casters make freeing up patio space a walk in the park. Need a tasty platform that brings the family together? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill 5-burner gas grill with side burner and foldable shelf.